There's only one way to reverse a power play, and that is to take back power.
Fighting words today from Sacramento Mayor Darrell Steinberg, addressing dozens of government workers at this fire station, where they are protesting today's Supreme Court ruling.
It is a bit of a setback because it'll take a while to reverse some of these decisions that the Supreme Court has made.
Under today's decision, government employees who are not union members will no longer have to pay union fees, even if they benefit through higher wages via collective bargaining.
If you have less people paying dues, that makes you less powerful.
That gives us less money. However, I would argue to say that that does not necessarily make us less powerful.
From now on, government union organizers will have to persuade people to pay for protections they can get for free.
It's the one-on-one conversations. It's what you do in organizing. And we've just, the last few years, maybe we have forgotten that, and we're learning that again.
Supporters of the ruling are calling it a big victory for worker rights.
This really empowers a lot of public employees to be able to do what they want to do, which is decide to either support a union or not. That should be their individual right to choose.
Union dues for non-members can add up to hundreds of dollars a year, and that's why the Pacific Legal Foundation, with offices in Sacramento, filed a friend of the court brief supporting government workers who choose not to pay union fees.
The unions have to make a better case for membership, and they have to make a better case for hard-earned money for people to pay them.